Well, 3 hours of the skate park using the 18 to 135, but mostly the 50 to 140 2.8. There's only two tests, well, not only two, but two primary tests everybody wants to know. So I call it the squirrels on crack test, and the other one is the black cat's butthole at the bottom of a coal mine in the middle of the night test, meaning low light high ISO performance. I can actually say, and I don't mean this, autofocusing young children. I'm talking about like teenagers and 20-somethings, that most of which have left, that this is the fastest autofocusing camera I've ever had my hands on. It's one thing to actually track autofocus, another thing to actually hit autofocus, and most importantly so, the actual touch with face up to camera and eye against EVF using my thumb at the back of the screen. I don't know if I'm ever going to use the joystick on the back of the X-T3 ever again. I mean, it's a bit of hyperbole, but wow. It's a good thing I'm wearing sunglasses. I actually, about 30 minutes in, reviewing a lot of shots on some of the really good skaters, most of which have left already. I started to cry. Don't tell anybody I told you that. Literally, no fanboy bullshit. Fastest autofocusing camera. Not only focus, acquire, and hit, meaning nailing the autofocus. Absolutely amazing. I've been shooting mech shutter and electronic shutter, continuous high. Shooting 2.8, always wide open, of course, on the 50 to 140. Continuous autofocus, continuous high shooting, 11 frames per second, mech shutter, and electronic shutter. Also, which is, might as well be shooting video at such a high frame rate per second. I'll post the shots up this evening, but I do mean that sincerely. The fastest, most accurate autofocusing camera that I've ever used. I really mean that, because that's a bold statement and everybody's gonna throw crap in my face if I get it wrong, but I do mean that. So we've definitely conquered these squirrels on crack test, and later this evening will be low light ISO performance. I'll start posting pics later on this evening. We're gonna do a bunch more testing. Thank you so much for watching, and Fujifilm.